Yeah, I was thinking the other day of all the opportunities we miss to help somebody because of one thing: jail calls. Doesn't it say at the beginning and end, or at least throughout, that it's a jail call and it's being recorded? I mean, I've not gotten one phone call from a correctional facility that didn't remind me that it was from a correctional facility and it was being recorded. How does that escape people still?
They want their emotions about the situation they're in to be validated by a sympathetic ear, and that overwhelms their common sense.
So is the answer to why because we're emotional people and we need someone on the outside to confirm what we're feeling is true and what we're feeling is right? And even if it includes a statement that absolutely walks us into a trap, we do it anyway.
Right. Well, that's why we spend so much time doing jail visits. I mean, how many times you've seen it? We get no phone calls for a couple of weeks, and we go see somebody once, or they tell us we feel so much better, even if we didn't talk to them about their case.
Yeah. No, I think that's true. And that might play into, I mean, does it play into effectively incarcerating somebody absent the opportunity for bond? That they're going to sit in there and at some point have to speak with somebody, and that only method of communication is a telephone, or at least few methods of communication, and it's recorded.
Yeah, it's definitely set up. It's basically discovery these days. You know, we get, this is what happened in the case, this is the investigation.
Yeah.
These are all the calls your client made.
So as a part of the government's evidence to us in cases, includes a disc of all of the jail calls that came from that ID to all of their friends, family members, and anyone who will listen, most likely including facts and circumstances about your case.
Right.
So that attorney-client privilege that exists in every communication that you have with your client that's individually protected has absolutely been wiped out because they decided to repeat everything they said to you to their girlfriend or guy friend over the phone moments later in a recorded call from a jail.
Right. Or they try to do a three-way, and now you got another person in there that destroys it, even though I'm there.
Yeah. Yep.
And neither of us will ever forget that case. And we know they did it. That case we had out in Cobb. The guy goes back to the jail. Next thing we know, prosecutor rolling out that media cart.
There it is.
First thing in the morning.
Yep. He called his mama.
During a trial.
Yep.